Rachel, I love you and I'm excited we'll be spending our lives together. I promise you my full commitment regardless of our situation, healthy or sick. I appreciate your kindness, happiness and the comfort you provide me with when I feel things are too difficult. I promise to comfort you, to be honest with you, and to keep you entertained during otherwise boring times. I look forward to us continuing our exciting lifelong journey together.
Today, surrounded by people who love us, I choose you, Trent, to be my husband. I promise to be your best friend and soulmate, and I promise to love you for who you are and for who you are yet to become. The reason I feel I can take on so much is because you're always standing next to me. Nothing feels impossible. You're the most loving, caring man I know, and I'm so grateful that we have found each other. Through the highs and the lows, I vow to always be by your side. I will dream with you, laugh with you, and walk beside you through whatever life brings. You are my person, the love of my life. Today and always, I love you.